So the topic is Python operators. What are actually operators are that operators are actually a special symbol that tell Python to perform some operations based on some values or variables. The types of operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and bitwise operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the few examples for like addition adds the two values, subtraction subtracts the two values, multiplications multiplies the two values, and division divides the two values. Similarly, modulus finds the remainder, and power is used for to find the power. Now these are the examples we have taken. For example, we have taken 15 and 4. If we perform these operations, these are the output which will be coming. Now we have the relational operators. So relational operators are actually used to compare values, and it can return true or false according to the condition. So these are the or relational operators like equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater or equal to, and less than equal to. Here we have taken an example of 13 and 33. So, for example, if we talk about is A less than B, that means is 13 less than 33. Here we have taken example of 13 and 33. And if we talk about we here we have taken the example of 13 and 33. For example, it is saying print A greater than B. So we have to check is 13 greater than 33? That is false. No, so the output will be false. Also, also we can check if print we say print A less than B. That means 13 is less than 33, so that's true. Similarly, if A equal to B, no, that's false. And A not equal to B, that's true. Now we have assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. These are the operators that use to assign the values to the right of the expression and to the left of the side of print. For example, here we can say this equal to direct means x equal to 5. But what plus equal to means is actually here for an example x plus equal to means x equal to x plus 3. Similarly, x here it will be x equal to x minus 3. Likewise, here will be x equal to x divided by 3. So these are the operators and these are the meaning of it. We have performed an operation for it. For example, a equal to 10 and b equal to a. That means we are telling to print b. So what will be the output? Output will be 10. Similarly, if you say print b, so print b, what it actually says b equal to b plus a, and b is actually 10 and a is also 10, so answer will be 20. Similarly, if we say print equal to b minus a, so it will be b equal to b minus a, and we are saying print it the b. So 20 minus 10 will happen and it will be become 10. Now we have the logical operators. Logical operators are of three types like logical and, logical or, and logical not. So what does it mean that if both conditions are true, only then it will return 1 true. Or means that at least one condition should be true, and not operation just opposites the value. If a condition is true, then it will make it false. For example, if A equal to true, then using A and B, so for A and B, and operators should should be true, but both values are different, both are true and false, so it will become false. For A and B, A or B, it will be true because 1 and 0 can be 1, but not A will become false because it make the true opposite of it. Similarly, we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators acts on bits and perform bit by bit operation. They are used to operate on binary and numbers. Some bitwise operators we have is AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, and right shift. Here are some of the examples of it. For example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 4. Now it's saying print A and B. But what happens that both values are different, that why the condition will be false, so it will show 0. Or or we have print A or B. So what OR is used to? OR is used to add. That's why when we say A or B, it will become A 10 plus 4, which is 14. Similarly, we can say here is left A, left shift 2 and right shift 2. So what we have to do is that we just have to convert the 10 into binary digits and left shift 2 and right shift 2 by 2 digits. So these will be the answers. Thank you.